So I use this silky fabric of 20 inches length and 4 inches wide. So you can also decide to go more than 20 depending on the size you want. So what this is the better size for this. So I also use my elastic band of 8 inches. This is a half-inch elastic. I measured 8 inches. The next thing will be to stitch it up. And you'll be stitching here, you'll be closing it up first this way. So now the sewing machine, this is the first thing I'm stitching up. I'm stitching it this way first. Then after you stitch it up, just turn it and take the one under. Put the one on top inside of the one under. Then you have to stitch on the one under. Remember, we are stitching on the wrong side of this fabric. Just be pulling it out and be stitching just like I'm doing. I created a little opening where I'll be turning this fabric to the right side, and now the next thing we'll be doing is to turn this fabric through that opening. So the next thing will be to pass the elastic band through that opening we created. And now with the help of my safety pin, I'll be passing it through it. So once you insert the elastic into this channel, hold the other end of the elastic so it doesn't enter into that channel too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. So after you successfully pass it through this channel, the next thing will be to tie the elastic, or you can decide to stitch it up. Everything is your choice. For me, I prefer to make a knot across it, so I tied mine very tight. I made it very tight. So after you've done that, the next thing we'll be doing will be to stitch up the opening that will pass the elastic from. That little opening we left, you'll be top stitching on it. You have to take it to your machine and top stitch on it, or better still, you can use your hand needle to top stitch on it.